This workshop is for PhD candidates and academics looking for a role in research or consulting. So if you would like to continue your career in academia, stand out in a highly competitive environment, and make sure you are happy and successful in your career, then you should invest in developing your career management skills. Through career management, you can boost your chances of being a long-term academic, creating a valuable brand for consulting and research engagements, and work with great people. Now, career management is not a natural talent, and people who have successful academic careers are not just lucky. To be skilled at career management takes training, tools, and hard work, and to be in the right place at the right time. And the right place to be, if you want to become skilled in career management, is our next Graduate Student Association Transition to Employment Workshop program for academics. In these 2 intensive half-day workshops, you'll learn how to plan your career, design an attractive personal brand, write a standout CV, leverage the power of LinkedIn, find great job opportunities, and impress in interviews. It's going to be intensive and oh so valuable. So if you seriously want to have a successful career in academia, sign up to these valuable GSA workshops. Your career, future income, and work-life satisfaction will thank you for it.